How to find obsidian caves in LEGO Fortnite. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to find obsidian caves in LEGO Fortnite. Obsidian can be found in the dry valley biome, inside lava caves. These caves present a much greater challenge than those of the grasslands biome. Obsidian is required for certain machines and village upgrades. You will unlock even more recipes that use obsidian, so plan to collect at least 60 pieces. Make sure you have plenty of pocket space when you venture into a cave. The cave should still look like domed shapes, but with the type of rock that's seen in the dry valley. So by following these steps, you can easily find obsidian caves in LEGO Fortnite. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.